Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana, I just want to focus here in this video on the microstructure because Solana did escalate a little higher today. Not unexpected. If you watched the previous video, then you know that the yellow as well as orange wave structures that I'm tracking are both pointing to the upside. And the condition was obviously that we're holding this orange support region here between $106.68 and $123.98. Support did hold. And let me just shift this. So support did hold and the market showed something that you could even consider a bit of a V-shaped reversal there. And now, I mean, the challenge or the main question at the moment on this chart is actually, are we in the yellow scenario or the orange one? They both pointed in the same direction. They both shared the same support region. And I want to share with you now, what we have to pay attention to. So first of all, the main thesis is unchanged. A larger degree fourth wave bottomed here on the 23rd of January. We're then looking now at two scenarios that are both bullish, also short-term bullish. And ideally the price is heading towards $190 plus. So there are two ways to get there. There is one, which is the orange count, which to be honest is a little bit more bullish in the short term because it's possibly an impulsive pattern that's unfolding there. And we want to talk about that. And then we've got the yellow one, which is a diagonal pattern, which is a bit more choppy, not bearish at all, just might not reach those high levels. Yeah, might end a little bit earlier. So let's talk about the orange count first. In the orange count, we have an ABC structure in wave A, then a B wave pullback, and the C wave to the upside could be unfolding. We had a wave 1, we had a wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. That's sort of what I'd like to see. And as mentioned in the previous video, in the orange count, the price should be heading towards 174 to maybe even $200. Minimum target for orange wave 3. Let me explain. 1, 2, 3. Minimum target would be $174. First ideal target 183.60 and then 200 also likely. Yeah. Then a 4, 5. That's one count, and we talk about the micro support levels as well. And then the yellow count is just a different interpretation. 1, 2, wave 3 might have topped, then wave 4 and wave 5 could be unfolding right now. The problem is in this count, if yellow plays out, the first target is 158.81. That doesn't really align with the larger degree targets, which should actually point towards 190. So I'm not following that primarily. Okay, I mean, again, I'm not saying it's not playing out, or the fifth wave in yellow should be extended ideally. Also, it's possible that obviously the fifth wave shows a clearer ABC structure. Yeah, because in the yellow count, we have to deal with potential B wave pullbacks in the fifth wave. But either way, it's very simple. So as long as we're holding that Tuesday low, we should be trending towards $190. Of course, there is a short-term micro support even above that level. So it's a support area I can give you now based on the latest price data we've got. But it is only a first micro support area now that I can give you. In the yellow count, not really relevant. This micro support area is more for the orange count. So a break below 134, that would only invalidate the idea that we are dealing here with an impulse to the upside, possibly an impulse in wave 3 in orange. It's between $134 and $141.92. And I mean, why is that relevant? Well, first of all, an impulse is obviously preferred for trading purposes. It's sort of the first line of support. So if we see a reaction at one of these fib levels, we can directly move higher from there. A break below it would rather suggest, okay, either it's breaking down completely or it's the yellow count in which a deeper pullback is possible, but it's then a diagonal, and that's again a little bit more difficult. Here, for example, we could say, okay, we have we are in the third wave of the larger third wave. And I've run out of wave degrees, so I'm not really showing you the micro count, but it could be, this is a 1, 2, then another 1, 2, This might have topped in a 3, then now would do 4 and a 5 of 3, 4, 5. Yeah, but again, that's not predictive as such. It just tells us, okay, what can we expect? And if support levels are holding 134, below 134, then also bullish, just slightly different interpretation. And the break of 134 would tell us, okay, then we can explore this idea. A, B, C in wave 5. I would pay attention to that as well. But yeah, bear in mind, B waves can be really, really difficult. B waves can be shallow, they can be very deep, so they don't really have very clear targets. So that would be the yellow count. Orange support area is for the impulsive idea. Below the upper support area, we are likely, so if the break below 134, we're likely going to retest the lower support area. So that remains relevant. That means if we see a break below initial micro support, below the upper support area, we can still test the lower support area. It wouldn't be bearish. It would simply mean, okay, possibly the yellow count. Okay, so yeah, what can I say? So still the bullish outlook. Today was a phenomenal day for Solana traders. Now we see a bit of a pullback. I give you a first level to watch. So let's see. A reversal here would then allow the price to complete wave 3 there, wave 3 of 3, and the next upside level to watch is at 158.81. That's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.